Dry fruits are a great source of many plant compounds, including powerful antioxidants. There are numerous health benefits linked to dry fruits, but how to eat them and what is the right amount to eat? We all know dry fruits are good for our health, apart from maintaining a healthy protein-rich diet and a healthy lifestyle. Nuts and dry fruits are the most traditional superfoods that our forefathers have offered us for our good health. Dry fruits are a package of proteins, iron, magnesium, healthy fats, vitamin B and fiber. According to various studies, people who eat dry fruit tend to lose weight and ingest more nutrients as compared to people who do not eat dry fruits. Dry fruits are a great source of many plant compounds, including powerful antioxidants. There are numerous health benefits linked to dry fruits, but how to eat them and what is the right amount to eat? As per reports, eating almonds, dates, cashews and walnuts in excess can lead to various health issues ranging from body heat, acne and body rashes. It is often recommended that not more than 2 tablespoons of dry fruits in a day is good for your health. This is because of their sugar content; they can easily help you put on weight. Side effects of eating too much dry fruits: weight gain. As per some studies, eating too many dry fruits in a day can lead to 3,500 calories gain. However, consuming only 250 calories from dry fruits can lead to over 2 pounds of weight gain in a single month. This can lead to a sudden rise in weight gain, obesity problems and menstruation, high blood pressure, and more. Asthma. Dry fruits are often processed with sulfur dioxide. There are many studies that there is a foul smell of gas in dry fruits which can be harmful too. This smell of sulfur dioxide can lead to allergic reactions, skin rashes, and asthma. Gastrointestinal issues. While dry fruits are indeed rich in fiber and can be beneficial for digestion when consumed in moderation, excessive intake can lead to gastrointestinal issues such as bloating, diarrhea, and constipation. Dental health. Dry fruits, while nutritious, can also contribute to dental issues if consumed in excess. Like other sugary foods, dry fruits contain natural sugars which can feed the bacteria in your mouth, leading to plaque buildup and eventually tooth decay if proper dental hygiene practices are not followed. Spiked blood sugar levels. Many dry fruits have a high glycemic index, GI, which means they can cause a rapid increase in blood sugar levels when consumed. This is particularly relevant for individuals with diabetes or those who need to manage their blood sugar levels.